Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today I am sitting in your 2017 Toyota 86. It's right inside of our showroom and we're easy to find on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. So after this video, definitely come on in and see this unit for yourself. We're gonna do a little bit of a walk around. So hopping right in under the hood, you'll find a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder boxer engine that helps increase torque at lower speeds and increases your maximum output with reduced fuel consumption. Built right into your engine is your Toyota D4S dual injection system, which has a self-cleaning quality to it. It removes the carbon buildup and ensures your engine lasts for years to come. D4S technology can also be found in our Tacoma models too, which is great for resale value. This sports performance vehicle has taken all of its lessons from the track, so some cool features from TRD include your weight-saving components as well as your Torsen Limited Slip Differential, which distributes power to the wheels for ultimate traction when you need it most. Also your sports-tuned suspension with your McPherson struts in the front and a double wishbone suspension system in the rear. Inside, you have your convenience features like your backup camera as well as your air conditioning and your steering wheel mounted controls. You also do have your track mode, which is an elevated traction control that allows you to push the limits of your 86 before it kicks in and keeps you on your drive line. Really, this vehicle is all about balance and handling. Driving it feels like a dream, and of course you'll turn a few heads along the way with its cool aerodynamic shape and that Ablaze color finishing all of that sporty style together. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.